Welcome to ProLab. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to upload and send your photos using WeTransfer. First, open your browser and go to secured ProLab's WeTransfer link given to you. Once you're on the page, you'll see Add Files area, and that's the area where you can add your files. You have two easy options to upload your photos. The first is to simply drag and drop your selected folders directly from your computer into this area. Or click the Select a Folder button to select folders from your computer. For the best results, we recommend organizing your files into separate folders. This is especially helpful if you have different sizes or specifications for your prints. For example, you can have a folder for 5x7 prints, another for 8x10 prints, and so on. Once your files are selected, you'll see them listed and ready to be sent. Now enter your email ID. Next, type your title, and in the message box, please provide any necessary details about your order. This is a great place to include things like your order details, any special instructions, or a list of the folders you've uploaded, and also include your name and phone number. The more information you provide, the faster we can process your order. After entering all the details, click the Transfer button to begin your file transfer. Enter the verification code that you receive in your email ID. The files will now upload, and the time it takes will depend on your internet speed and the size of your photos. Once your upload is complete, that's it. Your photos are now on their way to ProLab for printing. Thank you for choosing ProLab for all your printing needs.